Control your emotions and never beg for attention, love, and care. If someone doesn't want to talk to you, don't force them, because forced relationships doesn't last much longer. So why shatter your soul for temporary gain? Hold yourself together and distance yourself for the sake of your mental health. You're a good person. You are just trying to prove it to the wrong one. The right one will never, ever let you beg for anything. People don't neglect those they love. They neglect either because you are no longer useful to them or they don't want you to be part of their life. Don't ever forget that.